Hey everyone, Bo here, stylist for more than 20 years. Today I'm going to show you how to use the StyleQ by Skin Research Institute to achieve a perfect smooth and glossy style. This flat iron is packed with some fantastic technology, and as a veteran hairstylist, I can tell you it's a game changer for quick, high quality results. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the settings. This has 12 temperature options going up to 450 degrees. The StyleQ has this lock button and the swivel cord technology, and here is the power button and the temperature up and down buttons. Today we're working with Andrea's hair, our beautiful model, which has thick curly hair. I'm going to choose 360 degrees to start to get a smooth result without overloading it with heat. It also remembers your last heat setting, which is super convenient. Pro tip for those of you at home, start with a lower heat setting, then adjust every 10 degrees if the hair is not getting smooth after a couple passes. This will help ensure that you're not overheating the hair and you can get used to using the temperature settings in an easier manner. Before we start, I always recommend using a heat protectant to keep the hair healthy. A great tool like the StyleQ already minimizes damage with its GraphFlow technology and infrared heat, but extra protection never hurts. Now I'm going to section the hair. Sectioning allows for an even style and makes the process faster. Now for the magic. The 3D floating titanium plates adjust to the thickness of each section, which means I don't have to go over each strand multiple times. One pass and I'm already getting a smooth, glossy finish. The titanium also heats up quickly and evenly so we don't have any hot spots, just consistent heat that's gentle on the hair. One of the standout features of the StyleQ is the ionic and infrared technology. The ions help reduce frizz by sealing the hair cuticle, and infrared penetrates deeper, styling from within. This helps protect the hair, leaving it super shiny and sleek without drying it out. Perfect for those of you at home looking for polished, sleek, shiny hair with minimum damage. As a stylist, I really appreciate how well built the StyleQ is. It has durability zinc alloy structure that feels professional grade, and for clients at home, it has a 45-minute auto shutoff feature. You never have to worry about accidentally leaving it on. To finish off, I like to go through and check for any areas that need a touch-up, but with the StyleQ, that's rare because of its 3D floating plates and even heat distribution that makes each pass so effective. You're left with smooth, frizz-free hair that has beautiful glossy finish, perfect for any style. And there you have it, a smooth salon-quality look in no time. The StyleQ flat iron has really impressed me with how well it handles different hair types, and it's so gentle on the hair. One of the amazing things about this flat iron is that it also doubles as a curling iron. With its rounded edges, you can really achieve a nice beachy wave or any curl really that you like by the way that you move the flat iron down. Thank you so much for watching. If you want that salon quality hair, look no further with the StyleQ.